Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Forms for feedback. So first, you may want to head over to forms.microsoft.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your Microsoft account. And from here, we're just going to start with clicking on survey. And from the left panel, you can see here featured pre-made templates that you can choose from. They also have here this feedback survey template and also manager feedback survey template, teacher feedback survey. So you can choose from these pre-made templates depending on what your feedback form needs to make creating your forms much faster and easier. So in my case, I'm just going to pick this entertainment event feedback survey. So just click on the pre-made template and it will automatically be applied to your form. And from here, you can start by renaming your survey. You can also start by editing and customizing fields, changing questions and answers. You also have an option here to toggle multiple answers on for your respondents to be able to pick multiple answers from a specific question. Just do the same process with all the other fields. You can also get a preview on how your form will appear in computer view and mobile view. And once everything is done with your feedback form, you can proceed by clicking on collect responses. You can just copy the link to these forms and share it with your respondents. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!